Welcome, welcome, welcome. Quiz corrections here, ladies and gentlemen. This is one of those quizzes where students typically at the end of it go, oh my goodness, how did I find a way to get that wrong there? So, which is a good thing there for it there, because what you're going to find is we are very straightforward here. And again, you guys have been used to the visuals, and we're asking you to adjust to the formulas, which is a lot of times what causes concerns. Okay, so first of all here, what we got here? We got ourselves a parallelogram. So my formula is base times height. And as we've talked about in the notes there, we had you guys right at the top there, base and height always meet where? Well, at the right angle. There's my right angle where the two numbers it touches. 4 times 12. Yep. So 4 times 12 is 48. So there's your area, 48 inches squared. That's all it takes. Perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around the shape. So we add up all the sides. The shape has 4 sides. So we're adding up the 4 sides. 12 plus 5 plus 12 plus 5. Remember, opposite sides have the exact same length. Is this for one of the sides? No, it's not. So we add those numbers up, and we get ourselves 34 for 34 inches. That is it. All right. Question number 2. It's a triangle. Okay. Triangles is base times height divided by 2. Okay. Base and height always meet where? Well, like we said, they meet at the right angle. So 5 times 7, all right, which is 35, but then we need to divide it by 2. Oh my goodness, a fraction. Oh, eh, if you need to do a little division here, if you need to, all right, again, if you could just do mental math, we could do that. 17 times, 1 left over, so it's 17 and a half. All right. Yeah, mental math is fine there. Perimeter, we're going to add up all the sides. The sides, this is a triangle, so it has 3 sides, and oh my goodness, they're all the same. 7 plus 7 plus 7, all right, gives you a perimeter of 21 for 21 inches. All right. Again, base and height, right angle. That's the key thing. Find that right angle, and that's what you are after. Okay, so we got ourselves a rectangle here. Rectangle is simply length times width. So we multiply the length and the width. So 3 times 8, yeah, 24. That's it, 24 inches square. Perimeter, remember we are adding, perimeter, we are adding up all the sides. There's 4 sides, so I see an 8 plus a 3 plus an 8 plus a 3. All right, that gives me 21, so 21 inches. Again, perimeter, adding up the sides. When it comes down to it, ladies and gentlemen, you are adding numbers together. You're adding 3 or 4 numbers together. We can do this. I know you can. Formula, we got ourselves a triangle. It's a triangle, all right? And then, so for triangle is base times height divided by 2. Hey, where were the formulas written down? Were the formulas written down anywhere? Oh, on the board? Oh, they were there for you? Ah, yes, you'll have them on your retakes as well, all right? So base and height always meet where? They always meet at the right angle. So it is 6 times 8, which is 48, which a lot of you stopped right there. But remember, we divide by 2. Half of 48, 24. So 24 inches squared. And then perimeter here. Again, add up the sides. There's 3 sides. You're adding up 3 numbers together. 6 plus 8 plus 10. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 10 is 24. 24 inches. That is it, ladies and gentlemen. That's all that you had to do for it. Trust the formulas. All right, that's what we want from you. Trust the formulas. Okay, so for question 9, we could break it up different ways. But one of the things we had talked about is always finding the sides. All right, finding the sides first. So I'm looking at this side right here. This side goes left to right. So I need numbers that go left to right. 12 goes left to right. 6 goes left to right. 1 goes left to right. So the entire distance is 12. And I've gone 1 from here to here. And I've gone 6 from here to here. So far, I've used up 7. So if I used up 7, I got to go a total of 12. Yeah, 5 is your missing side there. All right, we're going to do the same thing going up and down now. All right, going up and down. 12 is the entire distance up and down. I've used up 4. I've used up 5. So altogether, I've used up 9. And wait, I had a total of 12. So how much is left over? Well, that would be 3. Okay, we're not adding up sides here because that would be perimeter, but we are doing area. So I'm going to chop left to right. All right, let's look at it. This one's nice. Look, it's 1 this way, it's 4 this way. So 1 times 4, yeah, that is an area of 4. That's right there. Let's take care of the other nice one, which is the one that's the bottom. It's rectangle. We can see it's 12 all the way across. Don't tell me it's 12 up here. 12 goes all the way to the top. I only want to go from here to here. All right, so if I look across, oh my, there it is. So for the area of this guy, I'm going to take care of 12 times 5. All right, and I'm going to get 60. All right. Now the last one. Yeah, the last one makes us think a little bit here. All right. I need this entire distance across. Well, here we go. Here we go. From here to here is 5. Is that the entire rectangle? No, there's more to it. All right. A lot of you guys stopped right there. So the entire way. Oh, that's 1. So the entire way across is going to be a 6. All right. How tall is it? Oh, hey, we filled that in. That was a 3. So 6 times 3 is 18. So I've got a 4. I've got an 18, and I've got a 60. 4 plus 18 is 22. 22 plus 60, 82. 82 meters squared. That is it there. That is it. So again, make sure we're not just grabbing the number that we see, we're actually grabbing the length of the side. And the last one here, all right, this is a triangle. All right, triangle is base times height and divided by 2. We know the base and the height because they always meet at a right angle. So you can see there's your base. All right, and a lot of you are cutting, and you can do that, but trust the formula there. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so it is 7 across. How tall is it? All right, again, because we need the height, because that's where my right angle is going to meet at. So 1, 2, 3, a 4, a 5. There we go. So the height is 5. So 7 times 5, 35. 35 divided by 2. All right. Kind of run out of room here. Oh my goodness, we did this already. Right, this is at the top. Yeah, question number 2 up there. 35 divided by 2, 17 and a half. There we go. All right. And for B, it's a parallelogram here. So we're going to do base times height. That's our formula. The base, there we go, on the bottom down there. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, and then the number 7. Now, the thing about it is a lot of you guys are like, let's count this. No. It's base times height. Base and height always meet at a right angle. Where's your right angle? Well, we got to draw it in. There's your right angle now with your base and your height. So let's count a 1, a 2, a 3. So 7 times 3 gives you 21. There you are, ladies and gentlemen. You are all taken care of. All right. Make sure that you showed this to me so we can talk through it there and we can get you the practice sheet and get you going on your corrections. It's all about adjustments, ladies and gentlemen. All right. If you didn't do well in that first one, it's okay. It's all right. The goal is to learn the information. And a lot of times we are going to learn by making mistakes.